You were here because a bond violation has occurred. You were ordered to go take a test and you failed to do so.
Yes, exactly.
If this ever happens again, I will revoke your bond.
The judge isn't playing around here. One more missed test and this man is going straight to jail. You can hear how serious the tone is. When a judge orders a drug and alcohol test, it's a final warning before bond is gone. What do you think? Will he actually follow through this time or repeat the same mistake?
Your warrant for arrest and I'm going to put you in jail.
Lo voy a encarcelar.
Do you understand?
¿Él lo entiende? Yes.
I am now sending you for a drug and alcohol test and you must come back.
Y tiene que regresar.
Do you understand?
¿Él lo entiende?
Okay. All right.
Yes.
We're pretty confident that he's going to come out clean. Am I excused on this case or should I be?
Do me a favor, I guess, leave me your cell phone just in case, and we'll reach out to you if something unfortunate were to,
Definitely.
just advise your client that if he ever misses another test again, then
He's from Latin America. They reversed he was supposed to come back on 1/6/25. He thought it was 6/1, that kind of thing. So we're confident he's going to be clean.
I hope so. Okay. All right. Take a seat for me, please.
Back here in an audience or over here?
Yeah, just over there is fine. So, Mr. Milan, if you want to leave your cell phone with Victoria, then we have already given you 2 bonds. If you miss court again, it's not going to happen again. Do you understand?
Sir.
You were charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
My apologies. On June 29th, 2023 in Harris County, Texas, the complainant told his family of the incident and the family reported it after it had happened. The complainant was with his friend, the friend's mother, and the mother's boyfriend on a trip to Galveston. The defendant became upset at the complainant because he did not like the way he was looking at him. The defendant pulled the complainant out of the car by his shirt, causing red marks on his chest. The defendant proceeded to slap the complainant in the face. The complainant stated he felt pain. Later on, while stopped at a gas station, the defendant became upset again, and the complainant began to walk away when the defendant grabbed the complainant's backpack that was on his back and threw him on the ground, causing pain. The complainant got up and ran away.
Who is that?
The complainant, a 15-year-old, I don't believe it was just a friend of the...
Mr. Chaput, I'm finding that there's probable cause to go forward with the case, and I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this person. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're also not to be in possession of any weapons as well. If you violate these conditions, you pick up a new case or you fail to come again, I'm telling you, your bond will go high. I will protect my community at all costs. I don't care how old they are, how young they are.
That line right there, I will protect my community at all costs, gives chills. The judge's patience is gone, especially since the victim is just 15 years old. It's moments like this that show how personal these cases can feel inside the courtroom. Would you support the judge's tough stance here or think he's being too harsh?
You understand?
Sir.
We've given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Hugh. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, likewise, I'll issue a warrant. I'll have you sign a reset. After that, I'll have you meet with the pretrial and then we'll get you out of here, sir. All right, Mr. Mr. Lauderdale, you're charged with criminal mischief. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On January 3rd, 2025, the officer was dispatched to a gas station in Harris County, Texas in regard to an assault in progress. The officer made contact with the complainant. The complainant stated the defendant had damaged his vehicle, that the complainant had parked his vehicle at the gas station by the front doors. As the complainant was in the store, he observed the defendant standing by the complainant's motor vehicle with a large rock concrete piece over his head, and the defendant threw the rock, breaking the front of the complainant's windshield, causing $1,000 in damages. The officer observed the large concrete rock sitting on the hood of the complainant's vehicle, and the defendant stated he was upset but did not elaborate.
Mr. Lauderdale, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You missed court. And I issued a warrant for your arrest.
Whoa, this judge just recalled an arrest warrant, basically forgiving a missed court date. That's rare mercy in a courtroom. But don't be fooled. He also warns next time it won't go well. This is a make or break moment for the defendant. What would you do if you got a second chance like this?
I'm going to recall that warrant now. But if you miss court again, it's not going to go well. Do you understand? Do you need a lawyer? Can I give you a lawyer? I need you to talk to me. Okay. I don't want you to pick up any new cases. I want you to be nice. Do not go back to this McDonald's. Do you understand? Do not go back to this McDonald's.
Your Honor, it's a gas station.
Oh, where is it?
Let me see.
I thought you said it was a
A
McDonald's.
gas station on Belfort Street.
Okay. Please don't go back to this gas station. Do not pick up any new cases. Do not be a danger to my public. Do you understand? Okay. So if you please provide him a lawyer. All right. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while I find you a lawyer. Okay? Please. Yeah. Sit.